somebody gives you something, a gift, somebody bought this Delus cashew nuts and give you as a gift, do you need to be told before you give gratitude to the person to say, thank you? Wọ́n ní yínníyínní kó lè ṣe mí. Wọ́n ní tá a bá dúpẹ́ orí àná, àní rí mi gbà lénìí. Wọ́n ní ẹni tí a ṣe lóore tí ò dúpẹ́, ó dàbí ọlọ́ṣà tó mú nǹkan yàn tó kóni lẹ́rù lọ. Of course, there was a time tá a bá ń gbádùn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ. When you want to address people, address issues verbatim. If you call this person black today and tomorrow you wake up and say the person is now white, then you are a very horrible entity. You have lacked it, you have lost it, and you are not somebody to be respected with any iota of respect. Then you come and tell us that you are mafia. There is nobody, no mafia. The only mafia is God. Ọlọ́run tó ní ayé àtọ̀run ni mafia. People work for something, they earn it, they deserve it, and you don't want to give them credit. Maureen Badejo and the people on our platform contributed a humble sum of 2.5 million naira, and they sent it to your organization to support you because they believe in your cause. And just for you to just say in a single statement or a single line when you are giving gratitude in the broadcast that, we also give appreciation to Mrs. Moreno. She sent something tangible just for our transportation challenges. But we are still expecting the GoFundMe that she said she raised for us, and we pray that God will help her. Just as simple as that. All these YouTube, our bloggers don't sort of look at Maureen Johnson. Let them raise that 30,000 or 20, that 46,000, 40,000 pounds. They should raise it. Tell them to go and raise it. All of them should go and raise it. If they can raise it, then shame on Maureen Badejo. Torí àwọn èèyàn sọ pé orúkọ Ìgbòho ló fi ṣe, orúkọ Chief Ìgbòho ni, orúkọ yẹn ni, Maureen ìdátó yẹn ni. Oh God. And all of you should go and raise that kind of money. Go, if you have that reputation, if your platform have that reputation, I challenge you to raise that money. Well, it's another very lovely, wonderful day, and it has to do with another interventionist show on Asabe Africa TV. We want to thank everybody for the followership. We want to thank you for your concentration on our channel. I want to thank you for the patronage and especially the relevance for our opinion. This is another very instantaneous broadcast, and we have to let the world come to our aid. Today, Thursday, 18th of March, year 2021. It has to do with what happened yesterday in the city of London. And I'll be mixing the languages up. I will speak Yoruba much more, and I will speak English as well. Ohun tá a fẹ́ sọ lẹ́ni ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin the Yoruba struggle àti Madam Maureen Badejo ní ìlú òyìnbó. Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá which happens to be in tandem with the GoFund tí Ọlọ́run lo Madam Maureen Badejo láti gbé dìde. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wípé nǹkan tó dára kò kí n fẹ́ ká ṣeun. Nǹkan tó bá dára ó máa ń lápọn díẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ọgbọ́ngbọ́n àti ìmọ̀ àti òye ni a lè fi làájá, a lè fi ṣe nǹkan tó bá dára. Ẹ rí i pé ìgbà tí ẹ fẹ́ lọ sílé ìwé, tí ẹ fẹ́ lọ sí school, tí ẹ fẹ́ lọ sí university, látàrí primary dé secondary dé iléèwé gíga, ẹ rí i pé a làkàkà, a ṣe oríṣiríṣi nǹkan, ìyà jẹ wá díẹ̀, òṣì ta wá díẹ̀, wọ́n fi ọ̀bọ lọ̀ wá, wọ́n fi oríṣiríṣi kan lọ̀ wá, ṣùgbọ́n nígbẹ̀yìngbẹ̀yìn wọ́n ní tá bá ń jà a kì í dẹni ládé, àfi ẹni tó bá jà tó ṣẹ́gun. Ẹni tó bá jà tó bá ṣẹ́gun, òun ló ń pè ní olùṣẹ́gun, òun ló máa fún ládé. Now there was a GoFundMe tí gbogbo inú àwọn èèyàn dùn sí. Ìjà tí Chief Sunday Igboho ń jà lórí emancipation of Yorubas, especially èyí tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ìjàjàgbara bí ká gba àwọn forest reserve wa, bí ká gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn bòróró àtàwọn èèyàn míì tá a mọ̀ ibi tán ti wá, àwọn bòróró Fúlàní tán wọlé wá tán bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pa àwọn èèyàn. Ìjà tó ní agbára ni, ìjà tó dẹ̀ tún gbọ́ngbọ́n ni, ṣùgbọ́n kọ́lọ́run má jẹ́ kí a bá àwọn olórí burúkú tò, kọ́lọ́run má jẹ́ ká bá olóṣì tò nígbà tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe nǹkan. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan wà láyé ńgbà kan, kọ́lọ́run fọ̀run kẹ́ olóògbé Fred Achibong. He was a sculpturist. Fred ló máa ń sọ, ó ní in the game of success, two is a crowd. So nígbà tí wọ́n bá fún ẹ ní ìmọ̀, tó bá fún ẹ lóye láti ṣe nǹkan, irúwọ́ ògiri wá, eléyìí mú tiẹ̀ wá, eléyìí mú tiẹ̀ wá, eléyìí mú tiẹ̀ wá, eléyìí mú tàn wá, ìwọ ló máa pọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀fínú ẹ tí wàá mọ bó ṣe fẹ́ rìn ìrìn yẹn kí àwọn èèyàn kan má bàbá da ìrìn àjò náà rú. Chief Sunday Igboho látijọ́ tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrìn àjò yìí, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló yẹ wọn sí, nítorí pé wọ́n ní ìgbára là ń búra. An idea which time has come, nobody can fight or destroy the idea. Ó ti pẹ́ tán ti ń gbéyàn pa, tán ti ń ṣe léyìí, tán ti ń ṣe tán, tán ti ń gba ilẹ̀. Mi ò mọ ohun tó lè fà á káwọn àlejò kán wọnú igbó nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, kán wọnú ibi tó yẹ ká máa gbé nǹkan sí, ibi tó yẹ ká máa ṣoko sí, kán dẹ̀ sọ wípé kò sẹ́ni tó lè lé àwọn, kán dẹ̀ máa kidnap, kán máa gba ransom, kán dẹ̀ máa pa àwọn èèyàn, kán dẹ̀ máa bá àwọn èèyàn sùn nínú igbó ilẹ̀ wa. Ìgbà míì kan tí bá ń travel, tí bá ń lọ ìrìn àjò, bí àmọ́ ń lọ sí Oǹdó, dàbí mo lọ sí Kogi, dàbí mo lọ sí Ọ̀ṣun, dàbí mo lọ sí Ọ̀yọ́, máa ń bèrè lọ́wọ́ ara mi pé àwọn igbó tá à ń rí lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ́ yìí, kí làwọn igbó yẹn wà fún? Kí ló dé táwọn igbó yẹn dá? Kí ló dé tí ò sí nǹkan tó ń lọ ní àwọn igbó yẹn? Because èmi mọ̀ nínú òye ti tèmi wípé àwọn igbó yìí ìbá dá ká máa fi ṣe nǹkan ọ̀gbìn. But ìgbà tó lọ́n fẹ́ tì wá láti máa ṣe àwọn nǹkan yẹn ń sìn, la fi rí àwọn tó ti wá gba inú igbó yẹn tó fẹ́ sọ dìlú, nítorí pé àwọn ò ronú lọ bẹ̀. King Sunny Adé kọrin, ó ní kò ságbẹ̀ mọ́ lóko. gbogbo àgbẹ̀ ló ti darí wá sí Èkó, wọ́n ti darí wá sí Òṣogbo, wọ́n ti darí wá sí Ìbàdàn, wọ́n ti darí lọ sí London, wọ́n ti darí lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà, wọ́n ti darí lọ sí Japan. Gbogbo ilẹ̀ wa wá lọ ṣúà, kò sí nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ àfàwọn ìjòlá àtàwọn ẹyẹ àtàwọn ẹranko inúgbó. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń wá yìí ṣe ló dàbí gbàdá pé wọ́n tì wọ́n jáde látàwọn ilẹ̀ kan, àwọn ilẹ̀ àjòjì bíi Chad, bíi Niger, bíi Libya. Gbogbo ogun tó jà láwọn ọbẹ̀ yẹn, gbogbo àwọn olórí burúkú èèyàn wọ̀nyí tó pé wọ́n ní bòlóró Fúlàní, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wá. Àwa mọ̀ bóyá àrà rọ bọ́ọ̀mù, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn Haúsá táwa bá dàgbà nígbà táwa ń gbé nílẹ̀ Haúsá, a rí pé oníwà tútù ni wọ́n, ọlọ́yàyà ni wọ́n, wọn ò dẹ̀ kì í jẹyàn lẹ́sẹ̀. Táúsá bá lóun fẹ́ fún ẹ ní nǹkan láàrin 5 minutes tó fẹ́ sọ ẹ́ dọlọ́rọ̀, á sọ ẹ́ dọlọ́rọ̀, á fún ẹ. Àwọn Haúsá táwa dàgbà tá a mọ̀. Àwọn bòróró yìí ló jẹ́ ká wá mọ̀ pé ìyàtọ̀ láàrin Haúsá àti Fúlàní. Padà sí ọ̀rọ̀ mi, ìgbà tí Chief Sunday Igboho dìde pé òun fẹ́ di ìjàgbara láti lé àwọn èèyàn burúkú kúrò náà àwọn igbó wa, àti pé láti dá kidnapping, ká máa jí ni gbé, ká máa jí ni pa, ká máa jí ni bá sùn, àti ká tún máa ṣe ìwà ìdájú. Ìgbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, gbogbo àwọn tá jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́, tá jẹ́ éèjì wa yìí àtàwọn àgbààgbà nínú wọn dùn sí. Even àwọn àgbààgbà wa tó wà ní inú ìjọba, wọ́n kàn lè má sọ síta, wọ́n mọ̀ wípé ìjà gidi nìjà tá à ń jà yìí. Kí ni mo wá fẹ́ fààyọ? Obìnrin tí a wá gbé dìde ní ìlú òyìnbó yìí, tẹ́ bá ń wo obìnrin tó ń pè ní Maureen Bádéjọ, irú obìnrin wo ni Maureen Bádéjọ? Obìnrin alákìkanjú ni Maureen Bádéjọ. Tẹ́ bá lọ ka ìwé ìtàn, tẹ́ bá ka history àwọn obìnrin alákìkanjú, nígbà míì ó máa dàbí ìgbàdá pé wọn ò ní respect. Bọ́lọ́run ṣe dá wọn nìyẹn, nítorí pé èèyàn tó bá tijú jù kò lè béèrè nǹkan tí ó fẹ́ béèrè, kò lè gba ẹ̀tọ́. Àwọn èèyàn tán dí ẹ̀tọ́ èèyàn mú, wọn kì í filẹ̀ easily, wọn ò dẹ̀ kí n filẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀yàyà, kì í ṣe nǹkan tó ń filẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìwà tó dáa. So Maureen Bádéjọ jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó gbé jáde, àwọn ìwà ìbàjẹ́ ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ tó wà nínú ìjọ Ọlọ́run ló ti òun fúnra rẹ̀ síta láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀, láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn nǹkan burúkú tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìjọ. Ṣùgbọ́n bọ́lọ́run ṣe máa ṣe, ìgbà tí Chief Igboho gbé NGO tó gbé ìjàjàgbara ìdìde táwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀, Maureen náà ó wò nínú ara ẹ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn Yorùbá rèé. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ wo Madam Maureen Bádéjọ yìí, ilẹ̀ Oǹdó ló ti wá, sáìdì àwọn Ìlàjẹ. Mo láwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Ìlàjẹ tó pọ̀ láti ìgbà tí mò ń gbé ní my 12. Mo mọ bí wà wọn ṣe rí, olóòótọ́ ni wọ́n jẹ́ alákìkanjú, wọn ò dẹ̀ jíṣòro anybody. In fact, nínú ẹ̀yà Yorùbá, èmi fi pé àwọn ló dàbí Ìgbò Yorùbá. Kò sí nǹkan tí wọn ò lè ṣe, pàápàá lóòdòdó. Wọn ò dẹ̀ ò lè fowó tàn wọ́n. You can't use money to intimidate or to infiltrate or to seduce them. People from those parts of Yoruba land, especially Ondo State at large, will respect you, and most especially people from that riverine area. They are very courageous and they are equally conscientious when it comes to struggling. So Madam Maureen did bẹ̀rẹ̀, wọ́n ní okay, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé GoFund kalẹ̀. GoFund jẹ́ ìpele tí àwọn èèyàn máa ń gbé kalẹ̀ tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ kó owó jọ. Àwọn olóyìnbó náà lọ ní GoFund. Wàá lo ìpele wọn, platform wọn, wàá fi gbé orúkọ kalẹ̀. O lè béèrè fún owó fún nǹkan tó dáa, fún nǹkan tí ó jọmọ́ kátòlú, nǹkan tó jọmọ́ nǹkan bí ẹnìkan nídìí owó fún nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ ṣe. Bádẹ̀ ṣe ń wò lọ, àwọn èèyàn wò pé nǹkan tí Chief Sunday Igboho lòun fẹ́ wọnú àwọn igbó yẹn. Wọ́n fẹ́ kó àwọn boys kan recruit àwọn boys tó lè wọnú àwọn igbó wa lọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, láti Ọ̀yọ́ ni o, Ogun State ni o, Ọ̀ṣun State ni o, Èkìtì State ni o, Ondo State ni o, títí dé Kogi dé Kwara. ok àti mọ́rin dẹ̀ gbé kíní ìkalẹ̀ pé kíní ká ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká ra mọ́tò fún wọn. Wọ́n sọ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká kówó jọ ká kó lé wọn lọ́wọ́, nítorí ìgbà míì tó bá fẹ́ kó lé wọn lọ́wọ́ ó lè tún dá nǹkan míì lẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ẹ jẹ́ ká ra mọ́tò, and nítorí pé platform àti Mọ́rin Bádéjọ àwọn ọlọ́lá ló wà níbẹ̀, àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ àtúnṣe ńlá especially fún ìjọ Ọlọ́run, fún Christendom, àwọn tó ní wọ́n pé gbogbo àwọn tó ń pè wọlé tí bá wo platform ẹ̀ rí pé àwọn tó ti dàgbà, àwọn tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe gidi lọ́wọ́, àwọn lawyers, àwọn jurists, àwọn security experts, àwọn professional media personnel. Because ìgbà míì lọ́dọ̀ wa Yorùbá ó yà mí lẹ́nu pé a máa ń ráwọn èèyàn gidi tó máa ń kọjá lọ láàrin wa, a kì í yẹ wọn sí. Ó dìgbà tán bá lọ tán tàbí tán bá kú tán ká tó sọ pé ó dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun, that lady was a great woman, that man was a fantastic woman. But nígbà tó wà láyé sìn tó ń ṣe ń sìn, kí ló dé tá a lè sọ wípé iṣẹ́ takuntakun, iṣẹ́ tó dára, iṣẹ́ tó mọ̀ títọ́ dání ní iṣẹ́ tí arábìnrin yìí ń ṣe. Mọ́rin Bádéjọ gbé kalẹ̀ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká raise owó fún Chief Sunday Igboho tí gbogbo wa tí a ń gbàdúrà tá a ń rọra sọ pé Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ ràn lọ́wọ́ o, Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ o, gbogbo à ń gbàdúrà tá a ń yẹ sí tàdé ń sọ wípé tá a ń kan sára sí fún ìwà ògbólógbò, ìwà akíkanjú tó gbé kalẹ̀. Tá bá ní ká wo pé ibo ni Chief Igboho ti ń bọ̀, gbogbo ala máa fẹ́ sọ wípé ẹni báyìí ni but kò sẹ́ni tó ń wò yẹn mọ̀. Ní tá à ń wò ni pé iwájú tó ń lọ, kò sẹ́ni tó ń wo ẹ̀yìn tó ti ń bọ̀ mọ́. Political tọ́gẹ Ládọjà ni ọmọọṣẹ́ Adédìbú ni, well that is bygone. Now Mọ́rin gbé kalẹ̀ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe GoFund fún Chief, ṣùgbọ́n GoFund yẹn nítorí pé bó ṣe huge tó, bó ṣe tóbi tó, àwọn èèyàn kí owó sí pé a fẹ́ irú ẹni báyìí, a support ẹ̀. Number one tó yẹ ká dámọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ìtara ohun tí Ìgbòho ṣe, ìtara yẹn ìtara yẹn ó strike wọn ní US, ní UK, nílùú òyìnbó. Wọ́n wò pé òdodo ló ń jà fún, a gbọ́dọ̀ support ẹ̀. Chief Igboho fúnra rẹ̀ náà alákìkanjú ni, kì í ṣe ẹni tó lọ sílé ìwé much, torí pé irú nǹkan báyìí náà gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n ìwé, ṣùgbọ́n Chief lè má ka ìwé ṣùgbọ́n ó ka ọgbọ́n, ó dẹ̀ ka ọpọlọ, and he came out at the very right time because his struggles, his ideas, his thinking resonate with everybody, every concerned adult in Yoruba land, both home and abroad. And that is why Mọ́rin Bádéjọ was able to institute that kind of a GoFund that came huge. And eventually, before we know it, she became the biggest, highest raiser. She raised 46,000 pounds or something. Yes, 46,000 pounds, I believe. Yeah, and inú wa ti ń dùn, but kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀, kí ló happen? Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí máa ní ìdàtí tálì ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run díẹ̀. Máa mú àkórí yẹn jáde láti inú Bíbélì. Tẹ́ bá wo ìwé Exodus, tẹ́ bá wo kí ló kó bá Moses nígbà tí ó ń bá iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ. Tí gbogbo bá lọ ka Exodus 17 ta kà délẹ̀, a rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwa Yorùbá ó fẹ́ dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Ísírẹ́lì. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó fẹ́ gbé ẹrù Yorùbá lórí, ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ẹni tó ní sùúrù, ẹni tó ní ọgbọ́n, ẹni tó ní ìmọ̀, ẹni tó ní òye, ẹni tó dẹ̀ ti jìyà rí. Nínú gbogbo tá a sọ kalẹ̀ yìí, èyí tó mókun jù, èyí tó lágbára jù, èyí tó wà important, tó wà essential bọ́ọ̀rọ̀ láwọn ọ̀rọ̀ láwọn ìbò, wọn lẹni tó ti jìyà rí, tó ti rí wọn rí. Yorùbá tó bá ti kan ọ̀rọ̀ wípé bá mi ta kínní, jẹ́ ká jọ da kínní pọ̀, ó lékè nkà, ohun tó lágbára ni. Èmi máa ń sá fúnrú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀, even nínú àwọn churches tá ń lọ wọ́n máa ń tì nǹkan sí wọ́n á ti lè ṣe títàn sí how lè ṣe you can do it irọ́ gbúló à ń bẹ̀ ìjọ tó bá ní kó bá wọn ṣe nǹkan kan pé wọ́n kó nǹkan fẹ́ kó ta èèyàn kan lè wá kó wá kó 5 naira kó kó 10 naira fún ẹ kó sọ fún ẹnìyẹn pé 20 la fún then torí pé bí ara wọn ṣe rí ìfẹ́ owó wọ́n ní àṣàbí ti jẹ owó yẹn wá ó ti ná owó yẹn òun náà kó yẹn fún ṣùgbọ́n ló wà ń ṣáàjì ẹ̀ wọn ò ní wo nǹkan rere tó ti ń ṣe láti lọ́dún ti pẹ́ náà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ Chief Igboho gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe gbọ́ àwọn àti Maureen wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jọ sọ̀rọ̀ but ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ nínú Punch nígbà tá a wo story that was almost a month ago Chief Igboho kọ́kọ́ grant interview ohun tá a gbọ́ ni pé Chief lòun ò ní ìdòwò diaspora pé kí ló kàn pẹ̀lú diaspora pé ibi ìbàyí ti tó but because that statement was not a guided statement you know you don't need to tell the world that you don't need diaspora money okay now good need there but the diaspora people want to support because they are interested because a lot of people need diaspora mo ti lọ Sierra Leone mo lọ Ghana àwọn èèyàn pọ̀ mi ò di London yìí but ní ìlú òyìnbó àti ráwọn tó ń wálé tó ń sọ fún wa wípé àti wálé ló jà wọ́n lógún ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń lọ ní ìlú ló ń bà wọ́n lẹ́rù ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ti make owó sí ìlú òyìnbó wọ́n fẹ́ wálé tán rí ọ̀nà tó máa ṣe wálé ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ iná la fẹ́ sọ ni táwọn NEPA tó ń já ọ̀yàn lólè wọ́n fún wọn lówó gọbọi owó iná tí wọ́n lò dàbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ security tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá fún ara wọn ṣe ló dàbí àwọn tó burú ju wa olè àwọn ọ̀daràn ọlọ́ṣà lọ dàbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ immigration tó jẹ́ pé tó bá fẹ́ gba passport tó bá san 40,000 45,000 wọ́n á kó ẹ̀nú bọ̀ fóṣù mẹ́fà wọ́n á ní kò sí leaflet ẹ ti gbọ́rù yẹn rí ṣá kẹsàn owó fún passport ẹ fẹ́ renew passport yín fọ́dẹ̀ máa sọ ní pé kò sí leaflet oṣù kìíní oṣù kejì oṣù kẹta oṣù kẹrin oṣù karùn-ún ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ even bó fẹ́ renew driving license lásán o ò lè renew driving license ẹ láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan Nàìjíríà bá dìde bẹ́ẹ̀ níbi pé oníkálukú kan hùwà tó wù so nígbà tí àwọn Ìgbòho dìde tó ń ṣerú nǹkan báyìí gbogbo ayé tẹra mọ́ gbogbo ayé tẹjú mọ́ nígbà tí Maureen wá dìde tọ́nà ọdẹ gbà fún Madam Maureen kí ló dé tí àkókò ní sùúrù èwo ló wá fà á tí gbogbo ẹ̀fọ́ wá di rúdurùdu tó di pé wọ́n dá owó padà fún everybody ta ni mo fẹ́ rí bá wí mi ò lè bá Chief Igboho wí o mi ò lè bá Madam Maureen wí but nǹkan tó ń pè ní Yorùbá kan tó lágbára ni GoFundMe ó wọlé lóòótọ́ wọ́n lówó yẹn ti dé wọ́n ní wọ́n ti stop ẹ̀ bókè ó ti tó ibi tá a dáadé yẹn ti tó ó yá kágbówó jáde wọ́n láwọn tán ní GoFundMe tán ní platform yẹn sọ wípé there is a procedure wọ́n ní pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ yẹ gbogbo owó yẹn wò fínífíní kan wo bí tó ti wá wọ́n ṣe due diligence nígbà míì dẹ̀ rí ó máa ń dàbí nǹkan tó lọ bí òréré from nǹkan tí Madam Maureen sọ lórí program ẹ̀ lánàá ń sìn òun sọ wípé gbogbo ìgbà yẹn lóríṣiríṣi nǹkan ti ń lọ now n ti fẹ́ bèrè ni pé ta ló sọ̀rọ̀ láàrin Madam Maureen àti Chief Igboho fún àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbọ́rọ̀ káàkiri torí gbogbo akọ́ lálára láti gba ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú sára the next táwọn èèyàn máa sọ pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ìyá tó wà ní Dublin yẹn tó ń pera wọn ní Mamana Mafia wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ oríṣiríṣi wọ́n lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ̀ wọ́n fún àwọn bloggers òkú wí Maureen ti jẹ owó yẹn o lè ní Maureen o oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ní Maureen ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tó bà Yorùbá jẹ́ gan-an náà rè ohun tó bà wá jẹ́ rè kò wá yé wa o bóyá bí Chief Igboho àti media spokesman wọn Mr. Koiki bóyá bó ṣe ń bá àti Maureen sọ̀rọ̀ where they were also sharing information with other people including the Mamana Mafia because Mamana Mafia ẹni mọ̀ òkú ẹni kò mọ̀ ẹni mọ̀ òkú ẹni kò mọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan wà tó jẹ́ wípé tó bá súnmọ́yàn jù ọlọ́mọ yẹ kí nǹkan kó bàjẹ́ àwọn náà lọ máa sọ pé adé gún àwọn náà lọ tó máa sọ pé adé ògún now ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbóríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ kiri ó lè ní ó ti jẹ owó yẹn ó ti ṣe gbọ́ ó ti ṣàwo nǹkan òyìnbó kò ṣe ń jẹ owó òyìnbó ò lè jí nǹkan tó jọmọ́ nǹkan òyìnbó ò lè play fraud pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ torí nǹkan kékeré báyìí ọlọ́run máa yẹ kí èèyàn lose credibility ọlọ́run máa yẹ kí onítàn kó tẹ̀ lọ faṣọ pépé bora you know so ibi tí wàhálà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ẹ the money owó yẹn where's the money àwọn béèrè lọ ara pé ìgbà wo la dé level yìí tó ẹgbẹ́ mi ní Chief Igboho ni I will not even bother I will rather channel my discussion to Madam Maureen Badejo to relate with her to know what is going on and the moment she's giving me all the briefings why should I share intelligence or discussion with any other person? If I was Koiki Media, I respect the young man, he's doing well, he's trying, but he needs to read a lot of books on philosophy of the mind, philosophy of giving itself, and even philosophy of organization. There are a lot of things you need to know when you are engaging with people, especially a very sensitive set of people like the Yorubas. Our Yorubas, because in most cases familiarity breeds contents. Too much familiarity. You tell this one, you tell this one, you tell this one, you tell this one. Things you must do must be done diplomatically. If you are expecting such a huge contribution from one singular person, and a lot of people sọ money kọ́ lórí reputation tó torí Ìgbòho ní kíní kan. If people don't trust Maureen Badejo, nobody will put those monies down for her because we have little information. A lot of people, some people even contributed as huge as £1,000. Some people contributed as huge as £2,000. Some contributed as small as £500. It means that a lot of people believe in a platform, that her platform is going to take proper delivery of the money and it's going to hand over to the end user without roguery, without putting hand in that money. But because of the Yoruba idiosyncrasies, willy intimidation, all sort of chats, all sort of talks, cheap talks here and there. Look at where we found ourselves. Because one, you lose a friend in this kind of struggle, it's going to vibrate, it's going to affect you in the long run. A lot of people might start to distance themselves from you, and they might begin to have a second opinion about you. And I'm talking about the man himself, Chief Igboho. Everyone respects, everyone appreciates, everyone like him, but ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ manage information, especially láàrin àwọn tó ń ṣe nǹkan tó jọmọ́ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀. Then kí ló wá dá wàhálà lẹ̀? Tó dá wàhálà lẹ̀ ni pé ìjọ tó láwọn security forces wọ́n fẹ́ arrest Chief Igboho. Àmọ́ bí òótọ́ ni bí irọ́ ni o, but wọ́n lọ fẹ́ arrest wọn ṣá, a rí fídíò ara àwọn tó ń gbé bọ̀dá ní oríṣiríṣi. Then Madam Maureen lòun sáré ṣe another fundraising pé kọ́tẹ̀ fi support for transportation gbogbo nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀. Okay, wọ́n láwọn èèyàn dá 2.5 million, and when they contributed that money, she successfully sent that one to the chief. That one was not, I think it was not on GoFund, it was another platform because the money is small, so the money went quick. Wọ́n nígbà tí chief máa give press conference, press statement tó máa appreciate àwọn èèyàn tó support, he didn't mention that money. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wa how sensitive they are, especially with their money. Some of them will say their money is their blood. How sensitive they are with money, anything money.
oríṣiríṣi ló ń kálukú ló ń sọ tiẹ̀ owó tí wọ́n náà dá tí wọ́n náà ṣe GoFundMe tí wọ́n náà dá fún Ìgbòho tí wọ́n ṣe káàkiri tí wọ́n pé wọ́n ti gbé 40 million fún Ọlọ́run tó rí mi tó lẹ́mí mi mọ̀ pé mi gba 40 million kankan mi gba kankan lọ́wọ́ ẹnì kankan àwọn kan tó fún mi lówó nu wọn in 6.5 million àwọn tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ wọn jáde ẹnìkan náà fún mi lówó owó tí wọ́n dá rẹpẹtẹ tó pọ̀ tó wà lọ́wọ́ Mọ̀rín àrígbà gbogbo ẹni mo fi sọ àrígbà táwọn yẹn ń fọkàn sí pé ó ti gba 40 million ti gbà mi ò rí gbà Madam Mọ̀rín yẹn ó lóun ò rí gbà pé GoFundMe ò rìlísì owó fún wa èmi ò dẹ̀ sọ nǹkan kan lórí ẹ̀ torí pé owó yẹn kọ́ ni Ọlọ́run fi ń gbé wa lọ bí tí ń gbé wa lọ gbogbo ìrìn àjò tá à ń rìn bí ojoojúmọ́ là ń dáná ń bí Ọlọ́run ló dẹ̀ fún wa ṣe alùpùpù ń jẹ jíjẹ ń mímu Ọlọ́run ṣètò jíjẹ fún wa.
ìbá ti dá kọ́kàn ti mention yẹn if it is just one sentence ìwé o adúpẹ́ o àwọn ti Amẹ́ríkà o àwọn ti London o àwọn èèyàn kan fún wa ní 6.5 million láti Amẹ́ríkà o adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àbúrò wa ẹ̀gbọ́n àǹtí wa ìyá wa Mọ̀rín Bádéjọ wọ́n fi 2.5 million náà ránṣẹ́ o Ọlọ́run àfọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ tẹ̀lé wa sọ wípé a ṣe expect èyí tọ́lọ́run tó fẹ́ ṣe látọ̀dọ̀ wọn o I expect GoFundMe o ìyẹn ni o ti clear o there is a way you manage people's temperament there's a way you massage people's ego there's a way you massage people's sense of gratitude there's a way you massage people's sense of what can I call it, commitment, that they will be committed, they will be drawn more, they will want to do more. But when you trash them, you just look at this waking in killing, then it means that you are not even good for that assignment, because iṣẹ́ àánú ni iṣẹ́ yẹn kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kí a fi owó ká máa wo owó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni yìí owó kékeré ló mú wá owó ní. You must be large-hearted because àwọn ọ̀tá pọ̀ àwọn ọ̀tá dẹ̀ they are ready to do more to scuttle you but pẹ̀lú ọ̀tẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí it appears that we are nowhere to be found near the pathway of sincerity of purpose. I am not praying that we will not succeed but nǹkan ṣe fún àǹtí Mọ̀rín òkú díẹ̀ káàtó now Mọ̀rín Bádéjọ was now on her program wọ́n ló kí àwọn èèyàn kan sọ wípé ẹ pè wọ́n ká confam bí owó yẹn dọ́dọ̀ wọn yá lóòótọ́ lẹ fún wọn lówó yẹn then wọ́n pe Mr. Koiki only for Mr. Koiki to wake up from the bar side of his bed and he said he didn't tell us to do a video to thank you. I mean if somebody gives you something, a gift, somebody bought this Delus cashew nuts and give you as a gift, do you need to be told before you give gratitude to the person to say thank you? Wọ́n ní yínníyínní kó lè ṣe mí wọ́n ní tá a bá dúpọ̀ orí àná àní rí mi gbà lẹ́nu wọ́n ní ẹni tí a ṣe lóore tí ò dúpẹ́ ó dàbí ọlọ́ṣà tó mú nǹkan èèyàn tó kóni lẹ́rù lọ.
Nothing much. Yeah. In fact, hello, can you hear me?
Mo ń gbọ́ yín o. Mo ń gbọ́ ẹsẹ̀.
Okay. In fact, èmi àti àwọn associates mi, they were still contemplating of contributing to the group fund because what they said they were like, is the public fund.
Adéyẹmí ìjọ Koiki ti wà online since your hold on o my lord. Hello Mr. Koiki. Hello Mr. Koiki.
Yeah.
Good evening. My platform, they are saying that I did not drop 2.5 million, and that was why I called Chief to confirm, and they insisted I have to call. And I would like, because you confirm it to me that you received the money, and Chief knows about it, that Chief received the money. And since I called him, the 2.5 million for feeding, we are not talking, it's not GoFundMe. They just want to confirm on the platform. You're on a live program.
Okay.
They just want to confirm if you receive 2.5 million or not.
Well, the confirmation I did make with you, but you never asked us to make a video to confirm the feeding.
Oh.
So if you're saying live to everyone listening that you gave 2.5 million for feeding, there's so many people that donated for feeding across the country as well.
I'm talking about what let's get one thing clear.
There was no way you said we should make a video to confirm a payment. I don't need to tell you guys to make a video to confirmation of payments. They are asking me, did I pay 2.5 million or not? So if people are asking if you pay 2.5 million, I'm sure they should be able to have a confidence in you that you deliver the money. So there should not be a problem.
Koiki, did you guys receive 2.5 million or not?
Oh yes, we received the 2.5 million. I'm not disputing that.
Can you hear that?
But you never said we should make a video.
Koiki, when Chief collected 6.5 million from America, he made a video. And he never talked about GoFundMe today. He didn't talk about this feeding money. That is what they are talking about on the platform.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is the 6.5 million was a different thing. That was for the payment for the vehicle. So I think that is what we should be able to understand. You never at any point.
I don't need to instruct you. At least when you receive a fund, there should be confirmation. Yeah. There should be confirmation.
The feeding is just like any other person giving money for feeding or support. So,
but 2.5 million is not just an ordinary money. Please.
Oh yes, there's so many people that have donated more than that. So and they never asked for any recording of such. So what I'm saying is, what's the big deal when you say you donated 2.5 million?
What do you mean by what is the big deal? There is a big deal, Koiki. A point of correction. Don't say that. What is the big deal? When everybody is accusing me, when my integrity and my personality is at stake, and you're asking me what is the big deal, there is a big deal. There is a big deal.
Are they accusing you that you didn't deliver the 2.5 million?
Koiki, please. You've confirmed it. I have to go now. I have to go now. I don't want to continue this. I don't want to continue it. I'm sorry. I have to go now. They are accusing me. Did you read? They are accusing me.
That means that has to do with you and those that are accusing you.
Koiki, please. If you don't let me talk, please. Please.
What do you want to talk? You just please. Me and I'm trying to explain to you.
Your explanation is rubbish. Please. What do you mean? You are telling me what is the big deal? When we donate 2.25 million. Look at you can see the way he's talking. So, on what we donate here, what is the big deal? That when we donate 2.5 million. What are people here more content share? More might be me no. So what is the big deal that I donated that this platform donated 2.5 million and they are asking? Hello, ma.
At that conversation that you did have.
No, Koiki, I will appreciate if you can leave you can leave now. You've confirmed what I want to confirm. There is big deal. Tiwobamo. And I don't need to come I don't need to teach you your job. I don't need to come and tell you to acknowledge payment. What do you mean? Did she say Chief and you are telling what is the big deal? There is a big deal. You are telling me, so all the people that contribute money here, they don't deserve to know the truth. And now you are asking me, what is the big deal? But I want donate to war. There is a big deal. If you feel it's not a big deal. What kind of nonsense is that? It's just for anybody. It's just for anybody. So you are telling me, wait, what is the big deal? But I want donate 2.5 million. Can you all listen to it? How can you all listen to it? More for you 2.5 million like to be yourself because acknowledge that now you are telling me what is the big deal when the whole platform they are on my neck and my name is at stake. You are now telling me what is the big deal? You are telling me now what is the big deal? When we donate to war? Did you all hear it? So I'm going to donate to you problem that one here. But at least for this money like this sort of me. Koiki, please. Me ò ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ. So what is the big deal when we donate 2.5 million? Èló ni wọ́n fún ara ẹ pa? Don't let me start with you. Hello. So 2.5 million dàbí peanuts. You can hear what they are saying.
I think it should be more enlightened than that. Why are you talking like that? And someone is coming for us to confirm that you see something and not making an opinion, being arrogant about it. Who cares if anybody gives you $10,000 million? Who cares? That's what people just like to confirm things and I think what you think about it.
I imagine telling me what is the big deal. When me come, do I have to instruct you? Do I need to instruct you? Mo ti pọ́n yín lé látijọ́ yìí lọ. Mo ti pọ́n yín lé látijọ́ yìí. Àsìkò tí màá tẹ̀sán bí yamayama. What kind of nonsense is that? You are telling me what is the big deal? Báwo yàn tún donate? When I told you you are on a live program, just confirm to be sure. Ogbó ó láti 2 weeks. So wọ́n kàn pa ẹ̀. And now you are telling me what is the big deal? Pé wọ́n kàn ní 2.5 million. Ṣé ẹ̀yin náà ti rí? Ṣé ẹ̀yin náà ti ẹ̀yin Yorùbá?
Maybe that is what they acknowledge here.
If you are now saying it on a program, you Mr. Koiki, that you didn't tell us to do a video for you to thank you, then I wonder what kind of education that you espouse as a broadcaster, as an activist, as a motivator, as a youth leader, as a thinker. I mean, it's when I look at that, when I saw that segment, when I heard it, I felt bad because inú ìwà wa náà ló wà kéèyàn máa ṣe nǹkan ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kó léwu kó dáa bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ọmọlúwàbí kọ́ gbogbo Yorùbá kọ́ lórí bẹ́ẹ̀. Now to add salt to the injury, the woman was saying, my people contributed 2.5 million to give you for transport just before this. Then you now answer that, then what's the big deal? Of course, when you are answering people, when you are talking to people in that kind of an atmosphere, you have to be knowledgeable enough to be diplomatic. I know it could be a very bad day for you, Mr. Koiki. Maybe you have faced a lot of pressure in the early part of the day. Maybe you even woke up from the bad side of the bed. Maybe somebody has put you under pressure. But the moment it has to do with a sensitive thing as money, people's money, the moment it has to do with something as sensitive as gratitude, you should wake up from reality. You should put your head in a very straight line. And you should be very positive. You should make sure that everything that is coming out from your mouth is diplomatic, because it has to do with people's emotion, it has to do with money, and the person, the anchor of that part of that segment, the anchor, Madam Maureen herself, is a very sensitive person. Now let's go back to Mama Mafia. Mama Mafia is somebody that when she's close to you, you should be very careful. Even if she's far away, you should be very careful. How on earth is she getting information that, Maureen is saying this, Maureen is saying that? If you are talking to a person that is helping you to raise funds for a cause, it should be a very confidential information. No any other person should have access to what you discuss. Even if they ask you, you should tell them that everything is going fine. You should be able to have the temperance to manage it, because first and foremost, the money is not even yours to start with. It's a kind care. What I call a kind care. It's a kind care fund that a lot of people just feel, let's support him. A lot of people are supporting you right now. You are the champion. You are the real star. In fact, you are more popular. You are more famous than the president himself. And every Yoruba person home and abroad feel we have to support you, Chief Igboho. So every little, middle, or big Koiki that's around you must be thinking. They must know how to manage their mouth, use their brain, and their little skill. It must not be said that in the issue or the area of money you misbehaved. It must not be said that in the area of gratification you misbehaved. ẹni tá à ń sọ Mama na Mafia asúnmọ́ ni mi ò fẹ́ sọ mọ́ asúnmọ́ ni báyìí tí ẹni jẹ́ ni tá a bá ṣọ́ra wa fún because òótọ́ ní ká má sọ òun o òbẹ́ lè ṣọ̀rẹ́ lẹ́nìí o ṣọ̀rẹ́ fọ́dún bíi mélòó kan ìjọ tíjà dé gbogbo wọn tó mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ ló fi bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ public òbẹ́ lè sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nìí ó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ó bá ṣeré ìjọ tíjà dé o tú gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ gbogbo wọn tó mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ ló fi bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ Mama na Mafia òun ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ fún wa pé Madam Maureen ló jí pọ́ọ̀sì o mi ò mọ bí táwọn méjì ti pàdé ara wọn o but if that woman is elderly and she's advanced in thinking and matured in age those kind of things shouldn't come out of her mouth now because ọkọ̀ ti wà lórí agbami already the ship is on the sea on the high sea so the captains cannot afford to misunderstand themselves ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ aeroplane tó ń fò lọ tí pilot méjì láwọn fẹ́ máa jà that means he's endangering the life of 360 destinies tí o bá rí pé Maureen ṣe nǹkan tó wà important tí ìwọ dẹ̀ mọ̀ bí kíní ẹ̀ wá important tí o kì í ṣe súnmọ́ ní dankan rú you shouldn't be the one to be telling everybody to spite her or to destroy her or to abuse her. You should try. Either if you can't encourage her, then you keep quiet. Because this same Mama na Mafia, after abusing me, ìwọ náà ló sọ nígbà kan pé Chief Ògúndòkun gbé kámẹ́rà fún mi kí n máa fi bàtà ọ̀yàn jẹ́ káàkiri. Mi ò mọ̀. And when I asked Chief Ògúndòkun, he knows he has not. Chief Ògúndòkun can never buy me camera. Everybody that knows me knows that I don't practice my trade because of money. They should ask them. It's not about money. It's about conscience. It's about conscience. It's about sincerity of purpose. It's about trying to make the truth to be established. Then you also said a lot of other things. But last year, you sent one Mr. DKN, and you know Leron DKN, Mr. DKN, through the same Madam Maureen. And Madam Maureen gave my number. You said you want to speak with me. Then you called me. Then you started massaging my ego. That ọmọ dada náà làṣàbíro ọmọ dada ni ọmọ mi ni. Even prophet ń gbọ́dọ̀ ọmọ interview èèyàn dada ni èèyàn bíi tèmi náà ni. True say àní gbogbo wa àwọn èèyàn kàn sí wa gbọ́ ni àwọn èèyàn sí wa gbọ́ ni àṣàbí iṣẹ́ rẹ gbogbo iṣẹ́ mọ̀ ń gbádùn kò tẹ̀sí ọmọ dáadáa tẹ̀ ní ọ́ ìrẹ̀ sígbà tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ ìṣe gidi náà. And I was wondering, and of course I was just telling you thank you ẹ ṣé mà God bless you ẹ ṣé o God bless you àwa náà gbádùn iṣẹ́ yín. Of course there was a time tá a bá ń gbádùn kan tẹ̀ ń sọ when you want to address people address issues verbatim. If you call this person black today and tomorrow you wake up and say the person is now white, then you are a very horrible entity. You have lacked it, you have lost it, and you are not somebody to be respected with any iota of respect. Then you come and tell us that you are mafia. There is nobody, no mafia. The only mafia is God. Ọlọ́run tó ní ayé àtọ̀run ní mafia. If there is anybody tó bá pè é ní mafia, orí ẹ̀ ti dàrú. Ọlọ́run tó ní ayé àtọ̀run, Jehovah, El Misgab, onìkan ni the biggest mafia. God is the mafia. Know anybody that is a mafia. Even try to plant people in people's life to understudy them. You want to talk about them, you will fail. You come and say something today, tomorrow you say another thing, then you start to hibernate with criminal. Somebody that is a criminal, you keep telling the world, hey, you want to release hell, hey, you want to release hell, ọmọ mi ti jáde o. You said it first time, failure. Second time, failure. Third time, failure. What is God telling you? Then you now came into a very big project, like GoFundMe between Madam Maureen and Chief Igboho. Well, it's unfortunate pé they played into your gallery, they played into your hand, they played into your schemes, and today now you are now coming out to blame them and Yoruba Oshegiri. Of course, I'm a Yoruba any problem there, but we will have used this one to correct ourselves. And it's unfortunate. I don't know who is in Chief Sunday Igboho's camp that is revealing information. If you are dealing with somebody that is helping you to do something, why? How will those information leak out and other people will start to abuse, bamboozle the person? Alara jura wa lọ, a lè gbà kan sára jura lọ. A lot of people would have expected, oh, Madam Oni should have just allowed it to go, but that is not going to always be the case. People will react. Ibi tí Yorùbá burú dé, àwọn èèyàn wa tán burú dé, tán bá rí ẹ bó ń ṣe nǹkan fún èèyàn, bó ń ṣe nǹkan fún èèyàn yẹn lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́, ó ti ń ṣe fún for a long time. Àtúnyà wọn tún máa poison èèyàn yẹn. They will be poisoning the person's heart. Wọ́n máa poison ọkàn èèyàn yẹn pé ṣe ẹ mọ̀ bí Àṣàbí ń fi yín pa owó ní ṣá? Ṣe mọ̀ bá Àṣàbí ó ń ṣe gbá èèyàn tọ́lọ́run ẹ̀ pé kó ràn lọ́wọ́ tó lè wá ràn lọ́wọ́ tọ́lọ́run dẹ̀ ń lò ẹ̀ ní ọ̀nà tó yàtọ̀. Wọ́n tún máa ba èèyàn inú jẹ́ lọ́rọ̀ owó, wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀ owó sínú ayé ẹ̀, so ìyẹn náà a máa bínú, a máa wù gbàdégbò ń cheat o. That is how our people are. They are so sensitive to money. I don't know, they are so cheap when it comes to money. Every other thing goes down. I have faced such situations in my life and I keep wondering, why are they like that? If not that some of these people, àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe irú kan báyìí fún wọn ní ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run. Somebody, God said, help this person. Máa ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún o, má dáwọ́ dúró o, jẹ́ kó máa rí tiẹ̀ sọ o, ṣe báyìí fún o. Then wọ́n á kóra wọn pọ̀, àwọn olórí burúkú èèyàn, àwọn èèyàn ráwọn, àwọn èèyàn rádaràda, àwọn awáyé, àwọn tó yẹ pé wáyé tó yẹ pé nǹkan rere máa ń ta wọn lára. Daddy, ó ń powó, ó fi ń make owó, mo yóò tán fún ni. For what reason? Okay, if you succeeded in destroying that relationship, can you fill the vacuum? And that is exactly what they did to Madam Oni Badejo. That is what they did. They started feeding Chief Igboho with also Chief Igboho himself was being fed with all sorts of information. One man of God kan wà tí Madam Oni Badejo ti tú àṣírí ẹ̀rí tó lọ bá Chief Igboho nílé tó ń sọ fún mi pé Maureen ó gbóná gan àti máa fọ ó lè ní ó máa jẹ owó yẹn ni ó máa ṣe bó máa ṣàwo bá tẹ̀jẹ̀ kó jẹ owó yẹn náà kẹ wá mọ nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ fọ́lọ́run nípa ìtẹ́tẹ̀ fẹ́ gbé síta ẹ̀yìn ìwà gbé síta. Then wọ́n ní a lot of people started saying a lot of things. Then this other mama na mafia too bẹ̀rẹ̀ fún sọ̀tì ẹ̀ náà. Then it became a kind of, what can I call it? It became almost like a bullying tirade. They started bullying her, calling her all sort of name, thief, 419, rogue, and everything just came crashing. But lánàá sìn, when the woman now said, gave GoFundMe an instruction, return money to everybody. Then everybody's account started booting up. Then you saw that the money was really in the account of GoFundMe. Maybe decency of thought should have prevailed. Nínú Bible, nígbà táwọn ọmọ Israẹli wọ́n ti Moses wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú sí ní Exodus 7, the same Moses. Òun ló ó fi ọ̀pá ó fi kan àpáta omi dẹ̀ jáde wọ́n dẹ̀ mú bọ̀wọ̀ táwọn afi dé Exodus 20 àwọn pípọ̀ ìdíje bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pò nínú pọ̀ wọ́n sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú sí wọ́n ṣe gbé sí kò sí nǹkan tó sọ sí tán inú bí Moses Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ ní kó fi ọ̀pá yẹn gbá àpáta mọ́ toró ti gbá àpáta yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan Ọlọ́run ní kó sọ̀rọ̀ sí àpáta kó mi yẹn jáde nítorí yẹn bá jáde wọ́n á mú gbogbo nǹkan sí wọn náà á mú bọ̀ torí pé inú bí Moses wọ́n ti frustrate sólẹ̀ ó gbá àpáta yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀mejì so inú bí Ọlọ́run fúnra rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run nítorí tó ṣe lè o ò ní rílẹ̀ lérí ó dẹ̀ sọ ó lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin ọlọ̀tẹ̀ ó yẹ mú mi kẹ́ yó ó gba ọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣoṣo tó sọ yẹn àti ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì tó Ọlọ́run ò sọ kó fi ọ̀pá lu àpáta mọ́ ó ní kó sọ̀rọ̀ sápáta yẹn ó ti fọ̀pá lù lẹ́ẹ̀kan rí so kó bá sọ̀rọ̀ but torí pé inú bí pa the water started gushing out but God became angry and at the end of the day who led those people to the promised land? Joshua ló gbé ìwé yẹn lé lọ́wọ́ the book of life ìwé yìí òun lọ gbélé lọ́wọ́ pé the word should not depart. Moses ṣe iṣẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ iṣẹ́ adúrúṣẹ́ tí Moses ṣe láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ really adúrúṣẹ́ tí Moses ṣe taking those people out of the dungeon 430 years of slavery, taking them through the Red Sea, through the desert for 40 years, and because of ìbínú ọjọ́ kan bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn Yorùbá rí tó bá ti kàn owó tó bá ti kàn business tó bá súnmọ́ ẹ jù wàhálà tó bá jìnnà sí ẹ tún jù wàhálà bó bá kí ẹ jù wàhálà ẹ̀yà wa nìkan ni mo rí tó yẹ pé tó bá kí ẹ lẹ́ o ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o báwo dẹ̀ rárá yín wọn kí ẹ ní kì í pé wọ́n fẹ́ fún ẹ ní anything o wọ́n kàn fẹ́ kí ẹ ní kì í pé tó máa lọ kọ́ sọ pé òwúrọ̀ rẹ̀ ló máa rí láàánú tó bá yẹ bó ṣe rí ó ti wù wọ́n fẹ́ fi ẹ ṣe ẹ̀yẹ ni. So when you are dealing with them, I love ara wa, but we should be able to tell ourselves things that poisons us. We should be able to tell ourselves that things that makes us odd in the community of nations. Àwọn Hausa ta sọ pé àbájá yìí. Do you know how many Hausas, how many Yorubas Hausa sọ di ọlọ́rọ̀? And I will tell you for free. MKO Abiola, first contract tó sọ di èèyàn lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Hausa ló máa fún £3 million telecommunication contract by General Muritala Muhammad's government. Ìpìlẹ̀ yẹn mà nìyẹn. Ìpìlẹ̀ yẹn nìyẹn o. That was how he became so big and he became larger than life. Hausa ló sign ẹ̀ pé ẹ fún ní contract kó fi telephones everywhere. Àmọ́ tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ bí wọ́n pé Yorùbá ló jókòó sí ìjókòó yẹn because the same Muritala was in charge of telecommunication, was the commissioner for telecommunication under the regime of General Yakubu Gowon. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti meet around láti gbà yẹn. So when he became president, commander-in-chief, he didn't find it difficult to make his Yoruba friend from Abeokuta a rich man. He gave him a contract, £3 million, and he became everything, a billionaire. Ẹ tún wo even late Alawari Shekola, all his riches was under the regime, his fraternities with the northerners. Láti ìgbà tó ti ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ pẹ̀lú General Abacha nígbà tí Abacha wà ní ṣe 81 division nìbàdàn. Wọléwọ̀de. Abacha decided to give him a contract to single-handedly be supplying food to the Ecomoc soldiers in Liberia. Àmàlà, ìlùbọ́, rice, everything. Yàtọ̀ sáwọn nǹkan míì tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Even General Obasanjo, alẹ́ ìjọ tí wọ́n ṣe ogun, that was on the night of 13th, that was àárọ̀ 14th of February 1976. Nígbà táwọn Supreme Military Council tán converge, T.Y. Danjuma ló dìde ló bẹ́rí fún pé you are the next head of state, and that was it. That was the turning point of General Obasanjo. Today is an octopus. Tí Danjuma àtàwọn boys ẹ̀ bá sọ pé kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ yẹn kò mà ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́. Nígbà tí hello daddy. God bless you sir. Mo wà lórí program tẹ̀ ní máa pè yín padà. Máa pè yín padà sir. Ìgbà tí when Yerima was governor of Zamfara, wọ́n láwọn èèyàn wọ́n ní mosque tó dáa jù tán kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n láwọn èèyàn tán submit proposal láti kọ́ mosque. Ìgbà tó máa wọ proposal ẹni tán fún ní contract yẹn was a Christian from Abeokuta. That was what I heard. Tẹ́ bá lọ sí north, especially Niger State àti Kano àti some other place, ẹ rà àwọn èèyàn wa tán rọwọ́ mú either in the food industry, trade industry, production industry, and even civil servants. Nǹkan ò nira fún wọn láti fún anybody. Hausa ni Yorùbá ni Igbo ni any part wọ́n fún ẹ. but lọ́dọ̀ tí wọ́n á bí báyìí nǹkan nira láti fúnra wa because a máa béèrè Kogi ni àbí mo ti réyàn tí mo ń ṣe nǹkan fún tọ́lọ́ ń lò láti nǹkan fún tó ní àwọn Kogi gbé they are useless people wọ́n lórí burúkú ni wọ́n wèrè làwọn Kogi and mo gbé sára mo fi ṣe sórí inú ẹ̀kọ́ because mo mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ló ní everybody níbí báyìí tó bá gbé contract lọ síbi kan wọ́n lè ní ìlú bolóṣẹ̀ tí wà Abẹ́òkúta ẹ̀yin ará Abẹ́òkúta ó ga tó bá ní Ìjẹ̀bú wọ́n ẹ̀yin Ìjẹ̀bú ẹ̀ láìpẹ́ owó tó bá ní àwọn Oǹdó ní mísà wọ́n ní ẹ̀yin Oǹdó pẹ̀lú agídí yín ó ga o a máa wo proposal wà á rí chairman àwọn máa pè é lọ́la àwọn máa pè é máa bá chairman discuss ó lè para kí nǹkan kan máa yọjú àwa la ní ẹ̀tàn àwa la ní ète àwa la ní rọ́ àwa la ní bí kí a mọ̀ nǹkan bí nǹkan yìí ẹni yìí ló ní ká dẹ̀ máa fún ní credit ó ti pẹ́ tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ people work for something they earn it they deserve it and you don't want to give them credit. Maureen Badejo and the people on the platform contributed a humble sum of 2.5 million naira and they sent it to your organization to support you because they believe in your cause. And just for you to just say in a single statement or a single line when you are giving gratitude in the broadcast that we also give appreciation to Mrs. Maureen. She sent something tangible just for our transportation challenges, but we are still expecting the GoFundMe that she said she raised for us, and we pray that God will help her. Just as simple as that. Why do you look like people that are ungrateful? Who want to deal with people that are that are ungrateful? Who want to do business with them? Nobody wants to be friendly with an ungrateful fellow. The moment I do something with you once and you're ungrateful, then you will never cross my path or I cross your own path again. Because one in Katu Shemi. Few weeks ago on Facebook, I releasing Kokon. Somebody saw our interview with Ashifodo Yajiri. One Rack or something entertainment is a page, and they took it, and it was not high alone. There was another one, Yoruba TV Entertainment. One called C, Asabe TV. For God's sake, there's nothing like Asabe TV. It's Asabe Africa TV. But it's a deliberate way of shortening gratitude. In the real sense, they didn't want to give gratitude. They would have loved to just pick it and slam it and get their views and get their money paid by advert or whatever. But they just put Asabe TV. So when you go on Google and you start searching for Asabe TV, there's nothing like Asabe TV. It is Asabe Africa. And if there's Asabe TV, it's something else. But báwo èèyàn wá ṣe rí nìyẹn, ẹ̀tanú ìgbé tí òun ló ṣe irú nǹkan tó dá báyìí, òun má jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. A máa lò bẹ́ẹ̀ a mọ̀ nǹkan tá a máa ṣe. You must grow out of this character. You must read a lot of philosophy of the mind. Go and read philosophy. Someone like Koiki should read more about philosophy. You should purge yourself of very unruly behavior. You should purge yourself of negative idiosyncrasies. You should purge yourself of bad sentiments. Don't say you will pamper her because it appears that God wants to use her for a purpose. Don't look at her character. Don't look at her behavior. Don't say no. Maybe they would have looked for another woman in that group to be talking to Madam Maureen. But if somebody can send small money, because all of my disgrace were, expect almost 30 million from someone, when they release it, all of them by fi díẹ̀ pé gba 2.5 yìí o, àwọn èèyàn mi ló dá o ní platform mi o. All you need to do is to say adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ GIO TV or Madam Maureen Badejo for your small for your humble sum of 2.5 million. We thank you. Ẹ ṣé o pé àwọn tó support wa, ẹ ṣé o pé a ṣe ń retí eléyìí tó ń sọ yẹn o pé àmọ́ o máa dé at the right time. Ọlọ́run ní báyọ̀ jẹ́. That is how you should behave. Kí ló dé tá fi ń bẹ̀rù ara wa is because we are grateful síra wa. Kí ló dé tí a fi lè bára wa ṣe business is because tá a bá ti business ra wa àwa náà látún máa wá bá ṣe máa dà nǹkan yẹn rú. Bàbá wa church wọ́n fẹ́ sí committee tó ní ẹ̀ ṣe lè tó bá yá wọ́n lè lo ti jí owó ń bẹ̀. Àwọn ló ń kówó sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ o. Wọ́n lè ní $500,000 làwọn kó sí ẹ lọ́wọ́. Meanwhile $350 làwọn kó sí ẹ lọ́wọ́. When you are too sensitive to money, you are going to run into crisis. Tó bá ní ìtara jù nítorí owó. So what happened is bad. Then if you now start sharing your information, confidential information with everybody, people like Mama Na Mafia will happen to you. They will be the one to praise you at a close range, then they will destroy you at a very long range. They will be the one to get close to you with fẹfẹrìtì ọ̀yàyà ayẹyẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ṣe dáadáa wàláì mo tẹ̀ gbádùn yín dáadáa lè ń ṣe ẹ̀yin lè. Then when they study you for some time, they notice your shortcoming. They will get a bit far away and hit you hard with those shortcomings, and you'll be wondering. So when you see people like that with such tendencies, you should be careful. In fact, you should be very crafty with your relationship with them. You should be very careful because some of this kind of people, this brand of people, they are consistently inconsistent. Alágàbàgebè ní gbogbo ìgbà ni wọ́n. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ síbí lẹ́ni, wọ́n á tún sọ sí ọ̀n lọ́la. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ síbí lẹ́ni, wọ́n lè ní nǹkan yẹn dáa, wọ́n á ní kò sí nǹkan tó dáa tó. Ó dẹ̀ wọ́n pé nǹkan yẹn ò dáa. Ọba tó mú gbónú palace, ọba tó na ìyàwó ẹ̀, àwọn ló dáa. Wọ́n ní ẹ lọ́ba tó dáa jù. Àwọn èèyàn kàn bínú sí ni torí pé ó wà courageous. Ọba tí kò ní respect tó wà garrulous, àwọn ló wà courageous bó dáa. So kí gbogbo Yorùbá kó fọ́lù jàǹdùkú. Olùṣọ́ àgùntàn tó ń já pint oní pint nínú ọ́fíìsì ẹ̀, tó ń rape àwọn ọmọ ìjọ, tí ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ fúnyàn lóyún tó ń ṣẹ́yún fúnyàn yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́rin, tí ó ń fi ọ̀nà ìbúrú gba owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn, tó ń gbé ìsọjí àgàbàgebè kalẹ̀ láti gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn afọ́jú láti lọ gbowó tó kù lọ́wọ́ wọn. A gbowó ńlá lójú gbogbo èèyàn, a wá dẹ́yìn àdá sí 10, a kó ìlàrin fún wọn, ọ̀ a kó ìdá 10 fún wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n èèyàn yẹn, olùṣọ́ àgùntàn yẹn náà ni ọmọ irú èèyàn báyìí. Òun ló pè lọ́mọ mi because ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ wọ́tọ̀. Òótọ́ ní ká má sọ ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ wọ́tọ̀ irú wọn kì í ṣe irú èèyàn tí wọ́n tó gbọ́dọ̀ gbé fóònù ẹ̀ kó bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan sọ pé okay because ó lè sọ kankan kó tún yí mọ́ ẹ. Irú wọn ń ṣẹni tí wọ́n á kíyàn lé wọ́n ń ṣàlejò pẹ̀lú èèyàn kan pẹ́. Irú wọn pọ̀ káàkiri. Ìkànnì mo bá wí the other day, mo bá wí ó wà ní Canada, mo bá wí pé kó stop ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ commissioner logun state. Wọ́n ní commissioner mú ọmọ yẹn jáde pé commissioner yẹn fẹ́ rape òun bẹ̀tọ̀ Ọlọ́run yọ òun. Ìwọ dẹ̀ bọ́ sórí platform ẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ bọ́ sórí platform yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí abiyamọ tó jẹ́ obìnrin tó jẹ́ abiyamọ, ó ní wọ́n lu ọmọ yẹn fi set up commissioner yẹn ni. Kìdẹ́ ṣe ni ló ti ń sọ lóko bẹ́ẹ̀, gbogbo nǹkan tó bá jẹ́ negative ni wọ́n máa support. Tó máa ṣe nǹkan tó da ìwọ ló máa bọ́ta ló máa sọ pé àwọn tó ń ṣe báàdì ẹ̀ ló máa ní wọ́n try. Ṣé o máa ń ronú? There's what we call story idea in journalism. Story idea. Before you come out, you must concretize your story idea. You must know what you want to discuss about. Is it going to affect the people? Is it going to be better for the enlightenment of the majority? How is it going to affect the minority? It's a balanced conceptualization of your intellectual output. But wà á kàn jálù ibẹ̀ down, wà á dé bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ bọ́ta mo sọ pé that thing you did is wrong. You cannot say that wọ́n fi ọmọ obìnrin tó wà intelligent bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn torí ẹ pé ọmọ kékeré ọmọ tí ó ju ọmọ 16 years lọ wọ́n fi set up a whole commissioner. Èlò ni commissioner ń gbà lógùn state 300,000 per month. Ṣó tẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀? Okay, ká tẹ̀ sọ pé tẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀. So what is special about being a commissioner in Ogun State? Then ìwọ bọ́ta tí wọ́n bá dé wà á kó tọ́ọ̀gì wá sílé mi wà á nà mí wà á ṣe gbá wà á ṣàwo wà á ṣe báyìí eré ọwọ́ ni wà á nà mí ó ti ṣòro èèyàn tó jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn. You have shown yourself to the world that that's who you are, that you are a thug. Because àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní intelligence, they have the video, we've given them. Everybody is observing. It's not that we are looking at it. We are not taking it lightly. We are watching. We have it. Even if you pull it down, we have it. Then kinikan ìgbà kan oníkíwá kọ ẹni YouTube mi ò dá ẹ lóhùn ọmọ 16 years lọ́lọ́run fi disgrace ẹ lọ́fi kọ ẹ YouTube. Why do you need that? What do you need that for? They are telling you that what you are doing is wrong, that you should not stop supporting evil agenda, stop supporting negativity, don't hype it. When you know that it's something that you cannot talk about, don't even talk about it. Then you came out because mo kéré jù láti advise or to correct you. You've been doing it not once, not twice, not thrice, and this one was too sensitive for me to keep quiet. That you will come out and tell the world that 16-year-old girl was used to set up an adult. When there were instances, the girl laid down instances how she got there. Irú àwọn èèyàn tá a ní Yorùbá ni tó tá a bá la fẹ́ ní Yorùbá nation, àwọn wo la fẹ́ súnmọ́ ní Yorùbá nation yìí? Who are we going to relate with? Are they people that we relate with only another agenda? People that wọ́n sọ wípé pásítọ̀ tó báyà oníyàwó sún kò burú náà ó ṣe bí yàwó oníyàwó ló gbé díẹ̀ lọ síbẹ̀. But is it good to sleep with somebody's ex-wife? Wọ́n sọ pé pásítọ̀ ó jẹ́ lọ ní náà ṣọ́ wá wọ́ wọn lé wọn ni ṣọ́ àwọn gbówó lọ síwájú ẹ̀. Are they the kind of people we are going to sit down and set agenda with? Chief Sunday Igboho, you have to find a way to reappraise the strategy, to review the commitments to the strategy. We are not saying what you are doing is bad. Nobody's condemning you. In fact, everybody's praying for you. Gbogbo àwọn tá ti lọ interview, most of them are praying for you. At the interview babaláwo, wọ́n ṣàdúrà fún yín. At the interview wòlíì, wọ́n ṣàdúrà fún yín. At the interview àwọn olóṣèré, wọ́n ṣàdúrà fún yín. Ó kàn lè ṣe pé ẹ rí Yorùbá ló ti níyẹn lọ́wọ́, wọ́n á rí nǹkan tó da, wọ́n ṣe pọ́n rí. Bọ̀ ìjọ tí nǹkan burúkú kan bá jáde, wọ́n tà sí ẹ̀. Ìgbà tí a wà ní Fame, láyé ìgbà yẹn tá a wà ní magazine, when I was working in Fame, every Monday, tá bá kọ gist, tá bá kọ PR nípa àwọn èèyàn, tá bá kọ PR tá kọ wọn tó da wọn ní pè ẹ́. Tó bá pè wọ́n bí àṣà, ṣe rí nǹkan tí mo kàn pa yín, wọ́n ní ibo ló ti jáde? Àṣà ó ti jáde lẹ́nu wà nù Fame, wọ́n ní page wọ́n lókè bá mi rà wá. Wọ́n rí o, but wọn ò fẹ́ wà grateful because wọ́n mọ̀ bí táwọn ṣe rí yẹn, ó yẹ kán pè é kán fún ẹ̀ nǹkan. But ìjọ tó bá ti kọ gist burúkú pé ọkàn ó jẹ owó kò sanwó èèyàn kan owó báyìí orí àwòsàn, àwọn ọlọ́kọ̀ máa pè é láàárọ̀, you wrote that on me, wàá ríran wò, nǹkan burúkú kínkínní tó kọ just 3 lines. But ìjọ tó bá kọ story ńlá tó kọ PR full page, they will not see, they won't see it. You have to be calling them, tí rí ní sà, okay, wàá mú wá bá yín sìn, wàá mú wá bá mi because they are not grateful. And that is what play out between Maureen Badejo and Koiki, telling her that what's the big deal? That is a very horrible statement. That is not too good. That is not too good. Mr. Koiki, you're supposed to find a way to apologize. If you don't apologize, the reputation will live with you forever. People will just see you. And you know what? That lady's platform has a lot of reasonable people. If I shock you, the kind of people that watch her, I would never. I would rather keep it to myself. Even in the intelligence community, people that watch her, they appreciate her sense of judgment. And also, I want to also thank all of you on Madam Maureen Badejo's platform, Eshegoni. But please, I want you to support her, especially in those good causes that she's embarking upon. Those causes of awareness. We are in the age of awareness. Age is our age and oniro. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló ti bàjẹ́. Generation àwọn bàbá wa tó ń fi nǹkan gidi kọ́ wa, tó ń nà wá nígbà tá kéré, tó ń fi ẹ̀kọ́ tó yẹ kúrò kọ́ wa, àwọn generation yẹn wọ́n ti ń lọ, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan tó ń filẹ̀ àgbọ̀dọ̀ jẹ́ kó lọ. Tí èèyàn bá dìde tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ìwà ìbàjẹ́ tó wà nínú ìjọ Ọlọ́run, ẹ dákun ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbárùkù tì, ẹ jẹ́ ká support ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà fún, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó wà ní ìka wa ká fi ràn lọ́wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká lo ọgbọ́n wa ká fi tì lẹ́yìn. Nítorí pé inú ìjọ both church àti mọ́ṣáláṣí ibẹ̀ ló yẹ ká bọ́ ẹ̀rù wa sí, ṣùgbọ́n níbẹ̀ gan sí ni ẹ̀rù ti bà wá jù. Ó yẹ ká dé ìjọ ká lè sùn ká gbà wípé níbi báyìí kò yẹ kán yàn wá jẹ, bọ̀ nínú ìjọ ńsìn wọ́n ti ń gba owó, wọ́n ti ń gba ilé ayé àwọn ènìyàn, wọ́n ti ń gba tọwọ́ àwọn ènìyàn, wọ́n sọ àwọn èèyàn dẹ́dùn arinlẹ̀, wọ́n á gba ilẹ̀, wọ́n á gba ilé, wọ́n á gba ọ̀nà, wọ́n á gba owó. Tó o bá tó ṣọ́ra wọ́n tún gba ìyàwó ẹ̀, tó o bá tún sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀pá ẹ̀ wọ́n tún wá fowó tó dá sí wọn lọ́wọ́ wọ́n tún wá fi bá ìjà. A ṣe fídíò lórí Johnson Suleiman Apostle wípé ó gba ìyàwó ọmọ ìjọ, a tún wá trace ẹ̀ pé o ti ń bá obìnrin sùn ti pẹ́, eléyìí sọ pé ó bá òun sùn. Wọ́n lo ra mọ́tò fatres kan rí, wọ́n tẹ̀lé òun fẹ́ yẹn ni tó ra ilé fún ní sáìdì Maryland lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ó ra mọ́tò fún wọn, trace account registration ní FRLC, wọ́n trace registration, wọ́n rí gbórúkọ ẹ̀ ló fi ra mọ́tò yẹn fóbìnrin yẹn àti oríṣiríṣi nǹkan míì tó ń ṣe òdẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ọ̀ṣọ́ náà. A ṣe fídíò, ó dẹ̀ sanwó, wọ́n gbé fídíò yẹn wálé. Èmi nìkan kọ́ ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ogunlọ́gọ̀ èèyàn ní South Africa tó ń lówó láti gbé fídíò wálẹ̀. Mí ní pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ bá mi wí, nǹkan tí bá ṣe àṣegbé ni. Ó dẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ ní gbogbo church, ìwà ìbàjẹ́ táwọn olùṣọ́-àgùntàn ti ṣe sáwọn èèyàn, ìwà ìríra tí ò ṣe gbọ́ sétí, ìwà ìbànújẹ́ táwọn aláwo òde kì í ṣe. Àwọn tó wà nínú wa tó ń jẹ́ traditionalist wọn ní ẹ̀fà jí nǹkan ẹ̀. Tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ alágbo ọmọ, agbo ibà tó bá jẹ́ 700 naira ni 700 yẹn ló máa gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Agbo ibà tó bá jẹ́ 700 wọ́n á gba 700 naira lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Agbo jẹ̀dí tó bá jẹ́ 1000 naira ló ń tà, wọn ò ní fi owó lé torí wọ́n bìlí pé táwọn bá tà jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹlẹ́dàá á bí àwọn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ lọ sí church, ẹ lọ sí hospital pastor redeem, hospital jẹ́ pé pastor redeem deacon lóní, kẹwàá ni ẹ fẹ́ gbé aláboyún wá, òun ló máa ń kọ́ sọ fún yín pé aláboyún yóò lè bímọ yẹn naturally àfi táwọn bá ṣe CNS fún, because ó fẹ́ gba owó tó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Tó bá tún gbéyàn lọ́gbọ́n fẹ́ ra oògùn ló máa kó oògùn tó wọ́n jù. Tó bá tún wá lọ sí ilé tó fẹ́ gba ilé tí láńlẹ́dì ẹ jẹ́ deaconess, tó bá ń fi ilé yẹn rent ní 300,000 per annum ní everywhere, tí ẹ máa jẹ́ 350 or 400. Àwa Kristẹni la mú ayé nira jù ń sìn, ilé wa ló wọ́n jù, ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ wa ló gbówó lórí jù, nǹkan wa táǹtà ló wọ́n jù. Kí ló dé, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? So tọ́lọ́run bá gbérú àwọn obìnrin bíi Madam Maureen Bádéjọ dìde, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbárùkù tì, nítorí pé kò sẹ́ni tó lè bá Ọlọ́run jà, kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó lè bá òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tòótọ́ jà. Tó bá dán wò wá dán tán. So gbogbo àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí tọ́lọ́run tú àṣírí wọn, Ọlọ́run fúnra rẹ̀ ló wà behind ẹ̀ o. Ní Jeremiah 5 verse 26, ẹ máa gbọ́ o, Jeremiah 5 verse 26, ẹ máa gbọ́ o. Ó ní, nítorí láàrin ènìyàn mi ni a rí ènìyàn ìkà, wọ́n wọ́ káàkiri bíi bíbá ẹni tí ń dẹ ẹyẹ, wọ́n dẹ okùn wọn mú ènìyàn, bí àgọ́ tó kún fún ẹyẹ, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilé wọn kún fún ẹ̀tàn. Nítorí náà ni wọ́n ṣe di ńlá, wọ́n sì di ọlọ́rọ̀. Ṣé ń gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ yẹn o? Bíbélì fi yé wa pé láàárín àwọn èèyàn, láàárín àwa Yorùbá, láàárín ìjọ Ọlọ́run, láàárín àwọn tàpẹ́ra wa lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, pàdé ẹ̀. Ó ní nítorí láàárín ènìyàn mi ni a rí ènìyàn ìkà, wọ́n wọ́ káàkiri bíi bíbá ẹni tí ń dẹ ẹyẹ, wọ́n dẹ okùn wọn mú ènìyàn. Bí àgọ́ tó kún fún ẹyẹ, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilé wọn kún fún ẹ̀tàn. Nítorí náà ni wọ́n ṣe di ènìyàn ńlá, wọ́n sì di ọlọ́rọ̀. Wọ́n sanra, wọ́n ń dán, pẹ̀lúpẹ̀lú wọ́n rékọjá ní ìwà búburú. Wọn kò ṣe ìdájọ́, ẹ máa gbọ́ o, wọn kò ṣe ìdájọ́. Wọn kò dájọ́ ọ̀ràn aláìní baba. Wọn ò dájọ́ àwọn church ń sìn, wọn ò dájọ́, wọn ò rí ti àwọn aláìní rò kí wọ́n lè rí rere. Ó ní wọn kò dájọ́ ọ̀ràn aláìní baba kí wọ́n lè rí rere. Wọn kò sì dájọ́ àárẹ̀ àwọn tálákà. Wọn kò sì dájọ́ àárẹ̀ àwọn tálákà. Ní tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní church ni ẹ o, àti láàrin àwọn èèyàn wa. Church ò dájọ́ àárẹ̀ àwọn tálákà mọ́, wọn ò rí tálákà rò. Gbogbo tó ń sọ ni pé mú owó yẹn wá sẹ̀. Do you have money? Bring. We are building our cathedral. We are building our school. We are building our new dome. Then Suleiman máa jáde olóhùn ra jet. Wọ́n fẹ́ máa fi jet kó àwọn èèyàn lọ fún worship. Ṣé worship lọ máa ṣe kú lọ́jọ́ ayé wọn? Èmi kì yóò ha ṣe ìbẹ̀wò nítorí nǹkan wọ̀nyí. Ọlọ́run ló ń sọ yẹn o nínú Jeremiah orí 5 ẹsẹ̀ verse 29. Ó ní èmi kì yóò ha ṣe ìbẹ̀wò nítorí nǹkan wọ̀nyí ni Olúwa wí. Ẹ̀mí mi kì yóò ha gbẹ̀san lórí orílẹ̀-èdè bí èyí. Ohun ìyanu àti rírà lè a ṣe sí ilẹ̀ yìí. Àwọn wòlíì sọ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ èké àti àwọn àlùfáà ń ṣe àkóso lábẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn. Àwọn èèyàn mi sì fẹ́ kí ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni ẹ̀yin ó sì ṣe nígbà ìgbẹ̀yìn? Kí ni ẹ̀yin ó sì ṣe ní ìgbẹ̀yìn rẹ̀? Àwọn èèyàn ń fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá bu Oyèdépò, wọ́n á bu ẹ, wọ́n á ta sí ẹ. Tó bá sọ pé Suleiman ò ṣe dáadáa, wọ́n á bu ẹ, wọ́n á ní kó má fọwọ́ kàn. Tó bá sọ pé Ọ̀yákílómẹ ń gbá àwọn èèyàn, tó ń gba ilé lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn, tó ń fi bí oògùn ló fi ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, tó fi ń gbélé lẹ̀, tó fi ń gbé mọ́tò lẹ̀. Tó bá sọ, wọ́n á ní kílódé. Tó bá sọ pé Genesis bó lè ní pé ó ń jápátá àwọn ọmọ èèkì, pé ọ̀daràn dẹ̀ ni oníwà gàbàgebè, wọ́n ní ẹni Ọlọ́run ni fílẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ pa ni kídìkan. Even àwọn tá a respect, tá a rò pé èèyàn ni wọ́n lórí Facebook, àwọn yẹn náà wọ́n tó máa celebrate criminal. Tó bá lọ wú tán ni àwọn ti celebrate ẹ̀. Ní verse 31 of that Jeremiah 5, ó ní àwọn wòlíì sọ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ èké àti àwọn àlùfáà ṣe àkóso lábẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn. Àwọn ènìyàn mi sì ń fẹ́ kí ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni ẹ̀yin ó sì ṣe ní ìgbẹ̀yìn rẹ̀? My people want it to just be like àwọn èèyàn mi fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ filẹ̀ ó jẹ́ lọ níjọ, olùṣọ́ jẹ́ lọ ní, olùṣọ́ ń yaṣu, olùṣọ́ òrànyàn. Ní nǹkan tá à ń sọ wípé ayé àwọn èèyàn bàjẹ́, and you supported it, and ó fẹ́ kí ìgbẹ̀yìn tiẹ̀ náà dà. O rò pé kò ní ṣẹ̀san, and you think that God will not deal with you? Psalm verse 29 ó ní èmi kì yóò ha ṣe ìbẹ̀wò nítorí nǹkan wọ̀nyí ni Olúwa wí. Èmi kì yóò ha gbẹ̀san lórí orílẹ̀-èdè bí eléyìí. Nígbà tí bá rírọ àwọn ọmọ orin bá dé jọ, Olúwa ló gbé wọn dìde. Àtàwọn pulse and pounder, Olúwa ló gbé wọn dìde. Àtàwọn ọmọ mi Hannah Mayowa, Olúwa ló gbé wọn dìde. Àti àwọn lady evangelist Bukky Jesse, Olúwa ló gbé wọn dìde. Olúwa fúnra rẹ̀ ni. Ọlọ́run fúnra rẹ̀ ni. Kán bá lè ṣe ìbẹ̀wò fáwọn olè, àwọn olùṣọ́àgùntàn tó ti jẹun, tó ti sanra sínú òṣì àti ìṣẹ́. Wọ́n gba owó àwọn èèyàn, wọn ò rí sẹ́ṣẹ̀, wọ́n làwọn jọrọ kèfèrí. Wọ́n gba ìyàwó àwọn èèyàn, wọn ò rí sẹ́ṣẹ̀, wọ́n làwọn jọrọ kèfèrí. Wọ́n gba ilé àwọn èèyàn, wọn ò rí sẹ́ṣẹ̀, wọ́n làwọn jọrọ kèfèrí. Wọ́n sọ àwọn èèyàn dẹ́dọ̀ arìnlẹ̀, wọn ò rí sẹ́ṣẹ̀, wọ́n lÓlúwa ló ní ohun gbogbo ẹ̀. Pé àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tẹ́nibọ̀dì lè bá wí, ta ló sọ fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀? Torí wọn ò náání mẹ̀kúnnù mọ́, wọn ò ṣe nǹkan mẹ̀kúnnù mọ́, nǹkan tara wọn ló ń ṣe. Ilé wọn kún fún ẹ̀tàn, wọ́n dọlọ́lá, wọ́n dolókìkí. Ìkan là ń sọ̀rọ̀ lánàá olórin, kò síbi tó ti lè bá. Ẹni olójójó ìyàdí ọ̀dàdì, ó dẹ̀ ní good voice. Mo sọ fún èèyàn kan lánàá, èèyàn yẹn tó fẹ́ ó lóun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan, ó lọ́ọ̀rẹ́ òun ni àwọn jọ ṣe wọléwọ̀de, òun ti ṣe nǹkan tó free fún òun ní kó kàn fi kó bá òun fi bánà òun. Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí ni ẹ o kó kàn báwọn fi banner sórí nǹkan kan lórí page ẹ̀ ó béèrè owó. Everything is money. Everywhere tó bá ti máa rówó kò bá jẹ́ fake church wọ́n ṣe ìsọjí bẹ́ẹ̀. Anywhere tó bá ti máa rí nǹkan kan tó máa ti jáde they will go there. And these are people you think we should respect in the new Yoruba nation. So those are the things tí gbogbo Yorùbá tó rí wọn pé tó ń gbàdúrà sọ́lọ́run wọ́n ní dàtí jẹ́ o. And these are the things tí Chief Sunday Igboho náà ní dàtí yẹ̀ wò ẹni dàtí jókòó. Kò yẹ kí irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí bí inú you have to sit down. If you want to lead a lot of people, you have to manage your temperament. People like Koiki, maybe you should find something for him. Maybe you need to go and do cash crop on PR, cash program. If you love him, if you like him, I'm not saying sack him, I'm not saying throw him away, but he need to improve his human relationship strategy. He need to improve himself. You don't tell people that kini big deal. Láwọn èèyàn tó ń da owó tó dẹ̀ gbé pọ̀ làwọn tún lè jí kan tó ṣe mọ́ fún ẹ. You don't throw people away because ìsọ kékeré kan báyìí ó máa bà ṣòkòtò tuntun jẹ́, ó máa bà gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́. Ìsọ kékeré kan báyìí ó lè bà ìdí jẹ́. You must comport yourself when you are relating with people. Chief Igboho is a natural native man. He is free to talk. But ìgbà tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ gan àwọn èèyàn ní kó má sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ kó má jẹ́ kíkọ́ ìkí máa sọ. But he is a native man. Well, bó ṣe yé wọn náà ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀. He talks with authority, no problem. But in area ìwà bí ká máa wà grateful yìí, ìwà yìí pé nǹkan mélòó ló mú wá, kí ló mú wá yìí. Ẹni tó bá ti ní ìwà yẹn ó ti fail. Ìwà yìí pé eléyìí mú 10,000 eléyìí mú 1,000 kó wá máa fojú ìkéré wẹ̀ tó mú 1,000 wá. Tó bá ti lè ní ìwà yẹn ó ti fail. Because ẹni tó mú 1,000 wá lè ní ó lè jẹ́ bóòlù máa mú 1 million wá lọ́la. Or ìwà ká má bìkítà ká má sọ pé who is she? Then ìwà bí ká súnmọ́ ni ká máa bá tẹni jẹ́ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wà careful. Àwọn tó bá ń ṣe irú ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi wọ́n sáàyè ara wọn. Àwọn tẹ rí tán láìkì ìbáwí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi wọ́n sáàyè ara wọn. Tó bá tó time wọn á mọ̀. Tó bá tó time táwọn náà bá rí páwọn náà ti pa àwọn tì. Wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tún èrò inú wọn rò. Wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní túnra wọn ṣe. Ẹni tẹ́ mọ̀ pé tó bá ti súnmọ́ yàn gbogbo àwọn tó súnmọ́ ló bá ti wọn jẹ́ gbẹ̀yìn. Ẹ try kẹ́ yẹra fún. Then téèyàn kan máa bá yín raise owó tó ń bá yín ṣe nǹkan kan ẹ wà kí téèyàn bá ń ṣe nǹkan fún yín no matter how small ẹ má jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wá pollute mind yín pé ẹnìyẹn ń fi yín pawó ni ń fi yín ṣe kinní kan you will fail eventually because those people that are destroying and those people that are trying to pollute your mind or to poison your mind they will run away at the end of the day. What that person is giving you they cannot give you but èmi tẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kéèyàn tẹ́ máa ń gbàdúrà pé kéèyàn tẹ́ because mi ò kí n báyàn do anything tó bá léèyàn kan ló lè ṣe jù mí lọ I will just exit and leave the person to do it. For Aunty Maureen àwọn nǹkan blame wọn oh she got so angry well when reputation is at risk you can't blame her. When reputation is at risk you cannot blame her. Her reputation was totally at risk. There was too much pressure. You cannot pressure GoFundMe. Chief Igboho nobody can pressure nǹkan òyìnbó àti ní problem rí pẹ̀lú YouTube rí for 5 months we were on it nǹkan tó ń sọ fún wa là ń follow èèyàn kan ní ẹ̀wọ̀n lọ́fíìsì Nàìjíríà go and meet them they must solve your problem we didn't do that we went through the openings tó fún wa online ìjọ tó bá ti fún wa ní message we reply them ó lè take another 4 weeks ó lè take 2 months kó tó dáa lò until we got it resolved. Àwọn nǹkan tó jọmọ́ technology tó jọmọ́ nǹkan òyìnbó kò kí n ṣe yára by fire by thunder. Next time when another person is doing this kind of thing for you you try to manage that person. Don't fight that person and don't reveal the secret of that person to another person because a lot of people are wọ́n lè da wàrà nù ní wọ́n lè fún wàrà. All these YouTube àwọn bloggers tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú sí Maureen Johnson let them raise that 30,000 or 20 that 46,000 pounds they should raise it. Tell them to go and raise it. All of them should go and raise it. If they can raise it then shame on Maureen Johnson. torí àwọn èèyàn sọ pé orúkọ Ìgbòho náà fi ṣe orúkọ Chief Ìgbòho ni orúkọ yẹn ni money ṣé money ìdá tó yẹn ni oh God, and all of you should go and raise that kind of money. Go if you have that reputation, if your platform have that reputation. I challenge you to raise that money, that £46,000. Raise it, and we applaud you. Then we stop watching Money Badejo. Then we know that you are the champion. But if you cannot do it, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kó sí tẹ́ jẹ́ kó Chief Igboho lose owó yẹn, shame on you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin onígàbàgebè ẹlẹ́nu wọ́yọ̀wọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kì í ro story àìdá yín kẹ́ tó jáde tẹ́ kàn máa ń bẹ́ síta tẹ́ dẹ̀bẹ̀ kéèyàn bá yín wí, shame on all of you. Àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń threat tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣeré ọwọ́ fún yàn ẹ máa ń nàyàn mọ́lé, shame on you. In all ramifications, I'm your boss. Even if you are older than me in age, I'm your boss. I've done this job, I've been in this job, and I think and I do my things the way I have learned how to do it. And I think I'm changing the game. So please, àwa Yorùbá, I need àti yẹra wa wò. Nǹkan tá a bá sọ nípa ara wa bó ń bà wá nínú jẹ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí. Tí n bá súnmọ́ ẹ jù, tó yẹ pé sì súnmọ́ yẹn tó wá di ìnira, ó yẹ kí n yẹra mi wò. Tó o bá súnmọ́ mi jù, tí sísúnmọ́ yẹn wá di wàhálà, ó yẹ kó yẹra ẹ wò. Tábàlà ń ṣe project, à ń ṣe nǹkan, we are doing something tó fẹ́ gbé wa lárugẹ, orí tútù orí gbígbẹ la kó jọ, ó yẹ ká wà very careful. Nígbà tí sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìgbéraga, nígbà tí sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú agbára, you take it easy because struggle tí Chief Igboho bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí, he might not even be the one to achieve it. Kí Obama tó di president in America, there are a lot of black people that started the struggle. We had the Martin Luther Kings of this world. We had the Reverend Jesse Jacksons of this world. We had the Malcolm X of this world. We had a lot of freedom fighters and opinion holders. But one day, by design, by default, Barack Obama became the lucky gainer. He became the lucky gainer. He gained from the struggle of heroes past. So Chief Igboho, if you think that, it could be you, yes, you said it. I thank God that you are matured enough to know that what you are trying today is just the fundamentals. So you must be careful. The kind of people around you, they must be people who are thinking, who are reading, who know how to relate with people, who are very courteous, who are disciplined, who are not arrogant, who are not garrulous, and who are not given to flip statements. You need to be very careful, and that's going to be my advice. And for those that are supporting Aunty Maureen, please continue to support that lady. She's doing a very, very tedious job. She's enlightening brains. I remember this is the kind of job Martin Luther did in the 14th and 15th century when there was Renaissance in Europe. Nígbà tí Renaissance dé, táwọn Catholic Church tó mú everybody mọ́lẹ̀, tó ní pé with Peter Spence you can be forgiving your sin, tó pa oríṣiríṣi rọ́ fáwọn èèyàn kán lè máa rówó gbà. Those were the days of the printing press. The first Martin Luther, who is a German, started to liberate people by printing pamphlets. Ayé ìgbà yẹn kò tí ì sí nǹkan tó jọ mọ́ ìwé. Martin Luther ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní print àwọn pamphlet láti sọ fún àwọn èèyàn pé ẹ lè ka Bible yín fún ara yín. Nílò olùṣọ́ àgùntàn kan láti túmọ̀ ẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹ meet Jésù nínú Bible ẹ̀ka kẹ́ mọ̀ kan tó wà níbẹ̀. Nídìí àti san owó kan kẹ́sẹ̀ yín bá lè fò lọ. Tẹ́ bá ṣe é máa jìyà. Nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run bá fi sí yín lọ́kàn ní kẹ́ fún wọn. Tó rà ó ti pẹ́ táwọn olùṣọ́ àgùntàn tó ti ń lo ọgbọ́n àìníke láti gba nǹkan àwọn èèyàn. Láyé ìgbà yẹn Catholic Church wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ yàwó méjì, ìyàwó kan ló gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́. But the King of England ó fẹ́ yàwó kan, ìyàwó yẹn bí obìnrin fún. I think King John IV or something, King John V. Ó ń bí obìnrin, ó dẹ̀ sọ fún Pope, ó ní ọkàn ó sọ fún yín pé tóun bá fẹ́ lómi á bí ọkàn náà. Ìyẹn yarí pé ìwọ. Ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ another woman, ìyẹn dẹ̀ bí àrólé fún. And that's the story of the Church of England, the Anglican Church. The same thing with Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte was so tired of the Catholic Church fundamentalism to the extent that gbogbo àwọn princes nígbà yẹn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jà. Napoleon have to invite the Pope. Ìjọ tó fẹ́ gbóyè rẹ̀ lórí ó dẹ̀ gbé adé yẹn lójú Pope ó fọwọ́ rẹ̀ gbé sórí rẹ̀. Ó ní no Pope made me. Ó ní I saw power fell on the floor and I took it up by myself. So ẹni tó wà máa jarú ogun báyìí, you have to be very acquainted with history. You have to be magnanimous with your thoughts, with your thinking process, and with the way you relate with people. You must not take people for granted. Not people in diaspora. Not anybody in diaspora. So Mr. Koiki, you have to apologize. Then Chief Igbo, you have to be very, very diplomatic. I have nothing to say. I appreciate what you are doing. And for Madam Maureen, please, you have learned your lesson. That is how they are. That's our people for you. The moment you want to do something for them, you become a mopping stick for everybody. So if you can take the shock, if you can absorb the water, if you can take this, if you can take the shock, if you can absorb the water, good for you. But please, don't be perturbed, don't be disturbed. Continue to do what you are doing, because God is going to reward you in a very, very fantastic manner. On this note, I want to thank all of you. We are just here to intervene in this very important discourse. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, a ní ká yọ jáde ní ká sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀, because round kan báyìí àwọn máa ṣe from time to time láti máa tọ́ wa sọ́nà fáwọn tó fẹ́ gbọ́ òtítọ́, àwọn tó fẹ́ irọ́, well, àwọn máa fi wọ́n lẹ̀ sáyà ara wọn nítorí pé wọ́n ní ayé kò títọ́, ọ̀run ò fẹ́ irọ́, ọ̀rọ̀ ò dẹ̀ pé mẹ́ta. Ṣùgbọ́n fáwọn tó fẹ́ òtítọ́, Bíbélì ní ìró ayọ̀ làwọn máa gbọ́ láwùjọ àwọn olódodo. So on this note, I want to thank you. Till the other time till the next time that we come, please let the discourse continue. God bless you and goodbye.